Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. As you can see, I have my sidekick here, Carlito.
Hey guys.
So, today, Carlito, we are making some beautiful center cut thick pork chops. We have them actually simmering in some salt and pepper and some white distilled vinegar to kind of tenderize them, because you guys know I use white distilled vinegar for that. We are also going to accompany that. I'm going to show you my version, so delicious, of a homemade pear chutney. Because, you know, Carlito, pear and pork chops are like a match made in heaven.
Yeah.
And I'm also going to make an easy, delicious summer succotash. You guys, let's go over to the ingredients, Carlito, so they can check them out. Okay guys, I'm back. As you saw the ingredients, keep in mind though, I have Carlito here. He is chopping some onions. Let me just show you here. He's chopping an onion for our chutney. Now remember, the chutney is going to take a little longer, so we're going to get that prepared and in our pot right away. And please note that in the description of this actual episode will be all the ingredients, and also on my website. So we're working on our chutney first because it takes longer. Right?
Yeah.
Carlito's chopping an onion right now. We're going to de-seed a jalapeno and chop it up fine. The first thing we're going to get for our chutney is we are going to use 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We're also going to use 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to put it in our pot and bring it to a boil. When we bring it to a boil, we're going to put the rest of our ingredients in, and we'll go over that as soon as I come back. We're almost done getting them ready, guys. You don't want to miss this yummy, yummy pork chop dinner. We'll be right back. Hey, guys, we're back. Our prep is probably 90% ready. I found the most beautiful yellow pears, Carlito. My mouth is watering, nice and ripe, and we're cutting it up. Look at how this is coming along. So we've got our apple cider vinegar. I don't know why I can't speak today. I'm sorry. We have our apple cider vinegar, and we also have our 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Okay, guys, we're back and we are ready. Right, Carlito? I also forgot to mention I have a teaspoon of onion powder. I always add like onion spices to enhance our fresh vegetables. In this case, we have onions. Right, Carlito? Guys, and we also have 1/2 cup of, you can use whole fresh cranberries, or this is canned. I couldn't find fresh ones in my supermarket. Usually it's during the holidays, Carlito. So I just bought a can of whole berry cranberry sauce to put in there. So as you can see, our vinegar has boiled. Our vinegar has boiled. Look at that. Now, Carlito, we are going to add our ingredients slowly. Be careful you don't get burned, guys. Oh. Then you know, this is the same thing. Delicious.
Do you want me to add
Yes, go ahead. Dump it in there, Carlito. Let's a little dump, and we'll put it in the sink, please.
Okay.
Now I'm going to dump my spices in here. Cinnamon, nutmeg, onion powder. Now I'm going to grab a wooden spoon, and I'm going to... But if you boil this for 3 minutes and still forget about it, you know, and leave it on your stove, and let it simmer, all those flavors combine. Oh my God, it's so delicious. So guys, I'm going to get my skillet ready, Carlito. We're going to brown our pork chops, and oh my God, does it smell festive in here.
It does.
Yeah, so we'll be right back, you guys. You don't want to miss this. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. So Carlito stepped away for a minute to check on his live, because he's running a live stream. Look on the bottom of this screen so you can check out his YouTube channel as well. So what I did was, I put the extra virgin olive oil for our pork chops, and I put a tablespoon of butter. The butter will prevent the olive oil from burning. Isn't that beautiful? Our potatoes are getting ready to boil in the back. Our chutney is simmering. That just looks beautiful. When I come back, these are going to be already flipped over on the other side. Our potatoes will be ready. As always, potatoes simple. A little salt and pepper, some oregano, and some butter. 1 tablespoon of butter. That's it for that. Then, once that's ready, I will put my pork chops in the oven let them rest in there, and we'll get our summer succotash on the stove, which is really simple. You guys, you don't want to miss this. We will be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back for a minute. My sidekick is back.
Hey guys.
Look how this is starting to look. Just turn those pork chops over. I love to use this this pan that I have that makes grill marks. It's so beautiful. Our potatoes are almost done. We're going to wait, Carlito, probably about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. And when I come back, me and Carlito are going to show you guys how we get that succotash ready. You don't want to miss how delicious this is. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, I know I mentioned earlier that I was putting the pork chops in the oven to rest. My mistake, I'm not. I'm putting the pork chops in the oven on my cookie rack, on a cookie sheet with some parchment on the bottom. And what I'm going to do, like you guys always know, that to me everything sticks. Right, Carlito?
Uh-huh.
All right, so let me do this. Spray this. All right, so now we're going to put our pork chops. Hold it hard, honey. Hold it tight. In here. I'm going to put it in the oven. Since they're very thick pork chops, that's the reason why. Backside, we are putting them in the oven. All right, so the pork chops are going in the oven. Put them in the oven, Carlito.
Okay.
Put your oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Be careful with your hands, don't get burned.
Wait, the oven's on?
Yeah, the oven's on.
Okay.
So while those are cooking, guys, let's get our succotash ready. You ready? I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I have 2 tablespoons of butter in there, Carlito. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we are ready to make our succotash. Look at this. I have 1 tablespoon or a whole clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, and about a teaspoon of extra virgin, extra light olive oil, Carlito.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So now, since we have garlic, I need to enhance it, guys. Just a tiny bit. There we go. Always enhance my fresh vegetables with spices. Always. Okay. So now, Carlito, we are going to drop our veggies in here. Look how easy this is. This is just a simple succotash, guys. There we go. So the spinach is going to wilt, as you guys know. This will go down to nothing. So we're going to wilt that. You can put that in the sink for me, honey. Some of these bad boys took off, but that's okay. We are going to go ahead and I'm going to try with my hands to stir this a little bit. Like I said, you have to be very careful because sweet peas, Carlito, are very mushy. Mm-hmm. And you don't want to crush them. You don't want to mash them. So we're going to do that. All right. So we're going to do that. So we have a little bit of liquid in the veggies. We can wilt our spinach. So what I'm going to do, guys, Carlito, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab the lid of the other deep pan. So I'm going to grab the lid of the other deep pan and just cover this. Because remember, guys, when you cover it, it'll wilt faster. And we'll lower the heat to medium because we don't want to burn our veggies. All right, so let's check out the potatoes and see how they're doing. Good. They're fork tender. Check that out. Fork tender. See that? So I'm going to drain this off. Our chutney is looking absolutely, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this chutney, you guys. That chutney is looking absolutely delicious, Carlito.
Yeah.
So when we come back, I'm going to drain the potatoes. My sidekick here is going to go ahead and mix our potatoes with our butter, oregano, salt, and pepper. We need to add some pepper and salt to our succotash. And you guys,
We'll be right back.
you don't want to miss it, you guys. We'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. We're back. And Carlito put the oregano, the butter. We left a little bit of the boiling liquid of the potatoes to make a little sauce. Salt and pepper, which we also added to our spring/summer succotash. And those pork chops, oh, smell so good. Our chutney's done, excuse me. Let me show you the potatoes. Put a little fresh parsley on the potatoes. And we have our beautiful succotash. Okay, so now our chutney is ready. I want to give you guys a quick little, I'm going to go ahead and we are going to turn this off in the front. We're getting ready to plate. And when we come back, we are going to plate together. We are going to do Carlito's favorite part. We're going to taste. Mm-hmm. You guys, you don't want to miss this. Make sure These pork chops should be in the oven for thick ones about 15 minutes at 350. And make sure when you take them out, which I will in a few minutes, you let them rest for at least 15 minutes. If you cut right into it, your pork chop will dry out. You need to let all the juices redistribute in the pork chop to have a nice, juicy, delicious pork chop. Right, Carlito?
Of course.
Yes. So you guys, stay with us and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we are back. And it is time to plate and taste, Carlito. Yum, yum. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and lower my camera so you can see how I'm going to plate this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab our beautiful pork chop. Look at that. I mean, it's so beautiful, you guys. Then we're going to grab some honey gold potatoes. I love plating. Plating is everything to me. You know, plating is very attractive to the eye. Whoops. They just want to take off. I just don't understand why they want to do that, Carlito. Okay, Carlito, so you're watching this, Carlito?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay, you're learning that plating is very important. Right?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful that's starting to look. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to move my pork chop over a tiny bit. Look, that one took off. That's okay, guys. It happens. Potatoes, little baby potatoes always like to take off. All right. Now, oh, my mouth is watering, Carlito. Now we're going to grab some of our Succotash. Of our spring summer Succotash, which smells so freaking delicious. Put some of that on the side. Get it away from our pork chop, which our pork chop is going to have the beautiful chutney on top. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Isn't this beautiful? Carlito, don't you think?
Oh my
all the
gosh.
colors and all the, let's get these babies where they need to be.
It looks amazing.
Right there, guys.
Spectacular.
Look at that so far. What do you think? Nice.
Love it.
Some of our chutney. You know what I need? Another spoon right here. Beautiful chutney. It's sweet. It's vinegary. It's sweet and sour with our fresh jalapenos. Oh my goodness. Put some of that chutney on top of our beautiful pork chop. That's good. Now I want you guys to tell me what you think. Check that out. Is that like the prettiest thing ever or what? What do you think, Carlito?
Looks delicious.
That's a beautiful pork chop dinner. If I do say so myself, with my helper here, which helped me so much. He helped me cut all the veggies and get the, get the chutney ready. So we'll start by cutting a piece of pork chop. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of the pork chop, Carlito. Oh my God, I get so nervous. Okay, you ready, Carlito?
Okay.
All right, guys. Here, move over here on this side, Carlito. I can't see you. All right, there we go. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
God.
That's so good, bro.
Teenagers, that chutney is so delicious, Carlito. Normally, it was so hard to get one bite that we normally double dip, but today we're not. The sweetness of the pear, the heat from the jalapeno, and the sour from the vinegar with the brown sugar. Oh my God, it's that delicious. It's like a mashed potato in heaven. It's so delicious.
It's amazing.
So guys, remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes, you guys. And my two main ingredients, which are
passion and love.
That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care what you make. If you incorporate those two main ingredients, as I always say, passion and love, your recipe will not fail. I repeat, will not fail, you guys. And don't forget, our store's up on our website, which is right on the screen, www.stovetopyumyum.com. Those aprons are hot, and those shirts are hot. Make sure you head over to the website. Here's our aprons, 2 of our colors. I have 4. Make sure you head over there and don't miss out. They're going fast, guys. And you guys, as I always say, au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, we will be back. And we will see you guys then.
Bye, guys.
Take great care. Bye.